Okay, so at this point, I filmed a little intro. I did it first time, and then discovered later on that I filmed the whole thing in hyperlapse. What a professional! So, what we were planning on doing today is just walking through the streets of Parikia, maybe getting a bite to eat, do some shopping, and seeing if there was anything worth looking at. So, normal service will be resumed soon. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Here we go. Isn't it pretty? So we're just wandering through the back streets in Parikia, and you come across things like this. Oh man, it's so beautiful. It's just kind of typical Greece. Little white houses and beautiful plants. Wow, it's so warm too. Right, let's continue. What on earth is that? It's like it's got old millstones in the building, and it's that, whatever that is. And it's a pigeon house too. Do you want to see your first Greek cat? It's actually the second Greek cat. I've already got one. Hey, puss. Cat number 3. Meow. Hello, puss. I'm losing count. He's at 5 or 6. That was a really nice little pit stop at the Greco Taverna. It's just kind of a traditional place right on the shoreline. It was great, and we had some calamari and beers and stuff. It wasn't too expensive. I remember when Greece was super cheap and everybody used to come here for that reason, but like anywhere else, it's that's not the case anymore. So I think we're going to go and find this church, this famous church that I can't remember the name of, but it's just great walking down these little streets with the white buildings. It's so hot as well. I don't know how many cats that is now. No idea.
So after a little hike up the hill, this is the Church of St. Constantine. And while we can't get in today, it's a really great viewpoint. You know, you can see right over the bay of Paros. And it's kind of that typical Greek scene of a whitewashed building, whitewashed church. It is beautiful. Just spin you around. And it kind of mirrors the rest of Paros. You've got these little narrow streets with whitewashed buildings either side. And it's a real rabbit warren. Okay, so I think we're going to head back into town, maybe have a little paddle and meet some friends for a drink. Cat count. Cat cam. Hey, puss. Okay, so I think that's a wrap. So is Parikia somewhere that you come to just to go somewhere else, or can you spend a full day here? I think we've showed that it's interesting enough to spend a day here. There's some nice cafes, some nice shops. It's kind of typically Greek once you get into the old town. So I hope this has been of some use to you, and we'll catch you on the next one, whatever that is. See you soon. Bye now.